How to use false color to color code everything based on its exposure level in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the more button and then select Pro. So change your camera mode to Pro mode. In Pro mode at the top here, tap on the exposure monitor button. That's the button right there. So tap on it. It will open up another panel down here. From here, you can turn off the exposure monitor, or select false color. In false color, it will allow you to monitor your color and exposure level. So here, it will color code everything based on the exposure level. And that's it. Finally, you can take a photo and tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here you can see the differences in the different photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.